So look what is coming soon. So I came up with this idea about 2 years ago, and excuse this glue, I don't even know how that happened, but yeah, I came up, well, yeah, we're going to put a flower there actually. So I came up with this idea about 2 years ago, and this was actually originally for, well, it is still going to be used in my like wedding and bridal shower. So my idea is to have these as tables, centerpieces, and I just never got around to posting it on YouTube. So I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on how to make these, and these are absolutely a must-have, and I'm going to show you how I made these centerpiece tables, which you can also make some for baby showers. This will be for bridal showers. So and I did all the necklaces on my own as well, each one, and I'm going to be doing more. So if you want to see this video, let me know in the comment section below. It's coming soon, and I just want to do this quick preview to tell you dolls to expect it. And I cannot wait to show you dolls how to make these dresses. And for my bridal shower theme, when I like get married, I want to have like pink and golds, so that's why my bodies are pink. So you can do whatever body you want, but these are mine, so get ready. Can't wait to show you dolls this. It's amazing. That's why I made this quick video, just to let you know this is like the next huge DIY. So if you want to see this, like this video, and let's get this video to 100 likes, and with 100 likes I'm going to be doing this tutorial on how to make this. So thank you so much, dolls, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Just going to show you a close-up. And yeah, I made these as well, and got this from Hobby Lobby. And this is just a nice way, a nice creative way to show your guests where to sit at your bridal shower. It's a nice piece, and I can't wait to show you dolls how I made this. Love it.